Sugwipo Healing Forests consist of 12 healing forest trails and one barrier-free sharing trail. Among them, let me introduce a forest trail that is easy to walk on Nogorok barrier-free sharing trail that you can first come across. It was built in Sogwipo City, Jeju's special self-governing province, over a period of 4 years from 2016 to 2023, and applied universal design to provide forest welfare services to the entire nation and even the world. After being funded by the Green Fund, the convenience, safety, and effectiveness of the barrier-free sharing trail were proven, and it won the top prize in 2024 as an excellent example of green business utilization. Nogorok means comfortness in Jeju dialect. The distance from the visitor center to the healing center is 3.8 kilometers along the deck trail, and it takes 2 hours to walk. The slope is 5%, and there are resting areas and intersections in every corner, so people with disabilities in wheelchairs, elderly people with difficulty moving, families with infants, pregnant women, etc., can use it comfortably. In particular, you can enjoy forest bathing in the cypress forest while feeling the healing factor of the forest.